do something what I gave to. Okay. Hi Yashash, how are you doing?
Evening.
Okay. New place. Hi Sanak sir, good evening. How are you doing?
Fine.
Okay, let other person also join in now. Have you marked your attendance in the group? Have you marked your attendance in the group?
No.
So please mark the attendance and come back. Okay, I'll be starting the session at 8:35 sharp. Okay. Now I'm getting new kind of excuse. Charge below 10%. Is this any excuse? That phone is charged below 10%. So I can't get into the session. Okay. Uh, in the name of beginner, I have Kiran with me. I have Yashash. Where's Datta? Where's Datta? That is the problem when I go to laptop. My phone keeps ringing in and I don't know where other people are. Okay. From tomorrow, please be on time. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is the topic of this session? Today's session topic. Anyone? What is the topic of today's session?
Sir, it's the aloe vera, it's the importance of aloe vera and honey and some FLP products.
Okay. So can any one of you tell me what is actually the importance of aloe vera and honey in this world? Not about forever or not about anything. We're not talking about company. We'll just talk about why these things are important. Why natural things are important in our life. Anybody can tell what actually forever like. Hi Datta, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So like from tomorrow, please come on time. Okay.
Sir, yeah, we went to outside, sir, to eat.
Okay. No, not a problem. Not a problem. So from the beginners, I want to listen. Like, do you know anything about aloe vera? Just a second. Just a second, Datta. Uh, can you tell me anything about why this aloe vera or honey is required? I'm getting some noise from your side, Datta. Let me mute you.
Mute and
Now everybody, am I audible? Just type in one. If I am audible, just type one. Okay. So now let me present it now. Okay. No more discussions. We'll get to the point later. ठीक है चलो. Firstly, let me give the unmute option to every one of you. But those who are going to speak only, so they will just turn on their mic. Rest of the people, please be on mute. My screen is visible to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
So about aloe vera. So you must have heard the tales, no? What are tales? Tales are story. Okay. So let's start with the story only. What is this? Only 3,500 years, no? But what about our culture? How old is our culture? Indian culture? No idea, no? No
It's so
idea,
long.
right? So you might have heard the tales and stories that aloe vera heals, right? Healing
Yeah,
aloe vera plant. Okay, it has been
Yes,
used
yes.
by even Cleopatra. It has been used by at the time of Egyptians. Even Indian culture, you can find it is written in the Bible also. Okay,
Yes.
but after removing from the cross, aloe vera was applied. What is this aloe vera exactly? Why is it so popular, and why are we dealing in aloe vera thing? Yeah,
That's,
because
can you stop with the I will take your screenshot?
uh, was modern Western medicine, and we were using as a homemade remedy, right? We all have
Yes.
homemade remedies, right? So aloe
Yes,
vera
yes.
in the Western world was used as a medicine, and we were using these natural products as our what homemade remedies, right?
Daily life.
है ना? So there are many things. Marco Polo, you can connect it with Marco Polo. You can connect with anybody, Spanish or everywhere. Aloe vera was used. Huh? But the thing is, it comes from cactus species, right? You have to understand this thing. Aloe vera is a natural healer. It is also known as a miracle plant. It's also known as a miracle plant. Okay. A growth वगैरह, just leave the growths and all. Okay. There are almost 400 species of aloe vera, out of which only 5 species are there, which are consumable, which human body can, like it is good for human body. Okay, out of that, the best quality is Aloe barbadensis Miller. That you need to note down because we are having the best quality of aloe vera, which is of species Aloe barbadensis Miller. And why is it named so? Because it was found in Barbados. Do you know where is Barbados? In the Caribbean islands, right? West Indies. Recently, the World Cup was there, no? T20 World Cup. India won, no? And was found by John Miller. That's why it got its name, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Okay, aloe vera or true aloe. Okay, its meaning is true aloe. Okay, and it takes like around 2 to 5 years for aloe vera to get mature, right? Aloe vera has many things. Leaf has rind, sap, mucilage. Not important. Not important. The biology and botany part and the chemistry part is not that much important. Thus, this is important. It is a fantastic natural healing. It has fantastic natural healing, and it's also known as a miracle plant. Okay, why is it so? We'll take it up later. Now, coming on to this thing. Now, let's see what aloe vera is used for. Only the gel part, the pulp, which is in between the leaves, right? That is 100% nutritious. That doesn't have anything that can cause harm to human body. Leaf, sap, rest of the thing, those are there. No, that contains some laxative material. If you don't know what is a laxative material, you must have heard like if you broke a rubber plant leaf or rubber plant, you just struck at the tree. What comes out? White color liquid. Like okay, that white color liquid is like not good for human body, not good for ingestion. Even on the skin, it can cause rashes or allergies. You know, so that's why only this pulp is required, not the whole aloe vera plant. This pulp, what is coming in this hand, no, this gel is only required. These parts are not required. You compare rest of the world which are utilizing this aloe vera thing, so they are doing some oxidative processes by which they are getting this aloe vera stored, you know, in a form which can be transported and utilized as products. Clear? Whereas Forever has its patented thing that is called as stabilization technique. That thing has been patented by Forever. Nobody in the world can repeat. What do you understand by a patent? A thing that is unique, you know, has quality parameters very high. Only those things get patented. So this technique has been patented by Forever. Nobody in the world can copy it. That's why we are having only aloe vera gel. Okay, only aloe vera gel. There's no leaf, no sap. Only gel is there. Coming on to the point, what aloe vera does, aloe vera has both the uses, internal and external. Talking about the external uses, if there are small burns, aloe vera is effective. Can be used in allergies, dermatology means if you have hair problems, also aloe vera can be used. If you have allergies, then it can be like scratches on your skin. You have pimples, blackheads, pores in your like cheeks, even these knuckles, no, over here, elbow, this where this elbow joint is there. Just touch it. It is very rough, dry. Sometimes it becomes very hard. There is a product, very beautiful product, small product known as aloe lips, which contains aloe vera. That is not only a lip balm, it can be applied uh, on your pimples also. It can be applied over here also. Just apply once in a week. You'll get the results. You have allergy, apply it to the skin, you'll get the results. That single small product, aloe lips. Remember it. Somebody will ask you, what is the cheapest and what is the most uh, beneficial product in forever? Which product should I go for? Which product I should recommend first? So my first preference is aloe lips because I am a big user of Forever's product. So that's why I'm telling out of my experience. If you don't believe me, I can give you a detour of my bathroom. I can give you a detour of my rest of the things where I am using those things. Yeah, I'm having those products with me and almost I've consumed it fully and I'm going to reorder it. And people are getting benefited out of it. No? So it can be used in dermatology also. Like there is shampoo also, there is conditioner also. And now in India, what we have Bring Raj oil even. Yeah, that is derived from our Vedas, right? Indian Vedas. That has been patented. Earlier, there was 10 to 20 companies, those who were making this Bring Raj oil. But now no one in the globe can make Bring Raj oil because it has been patented. Got it? If anything gets patented, nobody can make it. Clear? Clear, no? You can use in the cosmetics. Everybody know aloe vera is used in the cosmetics, right? It is very natural. Okay, so it protects your skin, nourishes it. It is antioxidant also and antimicrobial also, antifungal also. That's why it is applied on rashes or small cuts or small burns. Okay, so you should, if you are not having any first aid kit at your house, also you are having these kind of products with you, which has high aloe vera contents. You can apply it on your skin. Okay, though the cuts and everything will go. Like I'll be talking in terms of biology also. Let me come over there. I'll be going to the biology section also. A scalp. No, there is a problem of scalp in your head. It can be also uh, normalized. Okay, it detoxifies body. Detoxifies body. You know there are many like diseases that are related to our gut. Okay, there the if your gut is not good, you'll be in problem. You'll be having many diseases. Okay, most of the diseases are related to your eating habits, right? Your food, your stomach. Jana, do you want to say something? Because I can see only you turning on your camera. Rest of the people are turning off their cameras, right? If you want to say something, you can tell. This is an interactive session.
Can I share a story with you? Good evening, everybody.
Okay, good evening from our end also. It detoxifies the body naturally. Okay, detoxifies the body naturally. It maintains our
Yes.
digestive system also. Okay, do you want to say something?
Can, can I share something with you? I agree with detoxifying because I was born in the Karoo on a farm, and there we have like bushes full of aloe vera. And my grandmother used to give us that aloe vera every Friday. Every Friday we used to get that thing. So yeah, we were very healthy kids.
Okay. So this is not the thing only in India. People from abroad also are using the same thing, right? Everybody, but the thing is about the boundaries. That boundaries and geographical region has distincted us. We all are human beings, first of all, right? We all have same body. We all have same problems. Corona was there. Only India was suffering. Was South Africa not suffering? Was America not suffering? They are not people or what? Clear. So there is a single kind of human body everybody is having. Okay, so this thing work everywhere in a similar fashion. Okay, Japan. Japan, if you compare in the dimensions, no, if you compare Delhi NCR, and a region of Delhi NCR, it is only that big. It is a country, no, and India is so big, right? If you talk in terms of population, Japan's population is 1/4 of that of Uttar Pradesh in India. But still, they are number one in forever. Why? Because they have healthy habits. They go for healthy habits. They choose health over everything because health is wealth. We only say it, they do it. Japan is a country where earthquakes are very frequent, right? You must have heard that their houses, some of the houses in some regions are made up of paper. That is a nation that is called developed nation. It breaks also within one day and it reforms also within 1 week. That is the power of Japan. And we Indians, so many population, so many people are there. Big, like youngsters are plenty in India. What are they doing? What are they doing? Still, we are not developed. Why? Because we are just waiting for the things that can go right. Then we'll be joining there as chiefs, and then it will become like BTech, MBA, MBBS, whatever the things like neighbor's son has done. I'll also do it. Then you'll follow. Okay. Before that, it is not mandatory. You'll be listening to others. You'll not utilize your own brain. Okay. Coming on to the mouth and teeth, oral care. It is good for oral care as well. Digestive functions, immune system is built by forever. That comes in internal use. No, in internal use, it takes care of detoxification of body. It takes care of your digestive functions. It takes care of your immune system. It takes care of your liver, stomach, and intestine. Okay, there are some products that take care of your kidney also, because we not only deal in aloe vera, there are other natural things that are mixed with aloe vera, and then the effects are enhanced. Here, while we're talking about some of the products also, first just look at it. There is no biology class going on over here, nor any chemistry class. You just need to understand what is an aloe vera and what is a honey first of all. Okay, it is good for cell functions also, for functioning of cells also. What is a skin? Can anybody tell me what is a skin? It is a form of cell only, no? What are nails? Nail are dead skills, dead cells. No, this is a dead cell. Nail. If you have learned biology anywhere, oh, this is dead cell, right? Nail is a dead cell. Enough. So every in our skin, there are certain layers whose the top layers lifetime is 24 hours only. And aloe vera also acts as antiseptic. I already told you, antiseptic, antibiotic, antioxidant, antimicrobial. So these many things are there. Importance of stabilization. I'm not going deep into the technologies and techniques that Forever is using to create its drink or any other thing. So just remember this thing, that Forever has a unique technology known as stabilization technique, from which it is stabilizing the gel, not leaf, not sap, just gel. Okay. And then it is naturally no chemical preservatives are there, and it has been transported throughout the globe, benefiting to everybody. I'm so sorry for my son. He got a car from his uncle. No, his uncle is here, so he gifted him a car. So he came and rushed into my office. मुझे एक अच्छी कार मिली. So what? Chalo, I'll be celebrating even. That is a small victory for my son. I'll be also celebrating. Okay. So there is a stabilization technique. So you don't have to get into this. Why Forever aloe vera is good? Like uh, currently, abhi, Genevieve said that her grandmother used to give her aloe, right? But what is the difference between her aloe and our aloe? This is the point. No, what is difference between her aloe and our aloe? Means forever's aloe, not our aloe, because I am also having aloe vera in my pot, like in my garden. What is the difference between these kind of aloe veras? I have already told that aloe vera is a succulent plant. What is a succulent plant? It grows in hot, dry, and humid, any kind of conditions, right? But where it has been grown in Dallas, no, Texas, by forever, in 7,500 acre of land, that land is suitable for the growth of aloe vera. First of all, temperature and climate are suitable. Secondly, being a succulent plant, it sucks pollutants from outside the atmosphere and is a 24/7 oxygen giving plant. Just imagine 7,500 acre of land where just there are plants which are supplying 24/7 oxygen. What about the pollution level in that area? Can anybody answer? Only oxygen giving plants are there. 7,500 acre. It is not a small land, no. It is not small land. A city can be dwelling over there in this kind of land, right? Can even develop a city in this land. This is such big land. 7,500 acre that is owned by forever. Okay, it is not a leased land that is owned by forever where farming is done by hand. No chemicals, no fertilizers, nothing are used over there. And when this thing happens, then what happens? When pollutants are less, then what happens? Its medicinal value increases. Talking about pollutants, let me know the AQI. Tomorrow, when everybody will be here, no, just tell me the AQI at your own region where you stay. What is AQI? Air Quality Index. You'll get to know about the pollution level in your region. Okay, that's why the medicinal values and medicinal things that the qualities have been enhanced in these plants over there in 7,500 land. 65 million pound of aloe vera content is produced every year by forever. You don't have to worry about its cultivation. You don't have to worry about the product preparation. You don't have to worry about its packaging. You don't have to even worry about its delivery. Okay, you don't even have to have a go down a storehouse for storing the products and then delivering it to customers. No, what you have to do, you have to just provide the people who wants health, give them health, who wants wealth, give them wealth. These are the two projects where we are working, right? And you even don't have to leave your house. If you don't want to go outside your house and do it offline, stay in your house, stay at your home. You can find the people online. I have shown like plenty of platforms yesterday itself. Let me see my friend from Nigeria. He's here or not? Okay, he did not join the session. Let him. Like it's the first day, so I'll be sparing him up. You know, my beginners are here. Kiran is here. Kiran, are you here or not? Now coming to the facts.
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay, so till now, are you getting something in your head?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming up onto the facts, I'm not going to dig in deep. Actually, you have to remember these two things. One is called lignin, another one is called saponin. So for like aloe vera has these two initial things that are very important things. Those does the action. Okay. What lignin does, it has high penetrating power. There are three layers of skin, no? So it penetrates deep inside the skin up to the third layer also. Whatever creams you are using, sunscreen or any kind of cream, it don't has that power that it can enter even the second layer. And it penetrates deep inside the I'll be talking in more detail when I'll be going to the skin layers, right? Just remember that it has very good penetrating power, plus it absorbs dirt. It absorbs waste materials. Clear? Now talking about the second component, that is saponin. It can be assumed as a natural soap. It's emulsifier. When you touch aloe vera, what is it? Sticky, no? Sticky, soapy in nature. How it is coming from? This saponin. This saponin is there. So it is a natural emulsifier. And rest of the thing our history for you. Don't pay attention on the history. Just remember it has many vitamins, many inorganic ingredients, many anthraquinones, many polysaccharides, talking about amino acids. Okay, our body needs 18 kinds of amino acids, out of which 8 our body is not capable of even producing it. So we are dependent on our nutrients and supplements that we get from food. And our fooding habit, we have become rich, not eating homemade food, order online, right? Go to restaurant, have pizza, burger, and rest of the things. Where will these things come into your body? Aloe vera is having all the things in it. Okay. Talking about vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, you name it. It is there. It is there. Just name the thing, it is there. If you don't believe me, don't believe me. Go and find a research paper published by scientific community. Will you deny that? Will you deny that? Go and read the
So,
scientific publications and research papers. You'll get to know about aloe veras. Not talking about amino acids, not talking about anthraquinones, not talking about enzymes. In nutshell, like now talking in your terms, that language you will understand. Aloe vera helps skin wounds, be it burns, be it cuts, be it animal bites, insect bite, rashes, fungus, anything. Okay. And after surgery also, doctor can recommend you if the surgery is not critical one. Okay. If the surgery is not critical one, when we can't give aloe vera to anyone. If somebody is having history with aloe vera, that they are having allergies, that is very rare. 0.0001% of the person in the globe is having allergies with aloe vera. In that condition, don't give it. Don't give it. We serve people responsibly. Be responsible. Work ethically. If somebody is having allergies, first ask them, don't you have any allergy from aloe vera? Mostly you'll get the answer, yes, I don't. You can give it. But there are rare conditions also. People have allergies with aloe vera also. Don't give them. So it uh, in the snowy regions, right? Russia and all. In Russia also there's forever, and most of the part in Russia is ice covered during winters. So people get frostbite even. And in South Africa, people get sunburn. In our country, like South India, especially in South India, people get sunburn. Tropical regions, right? Near to the equator, South Africa is near to the equator. You talk about geography, talk about biology, talk about physics, I can deal in everything. Okay. So these are some of the things, like only this much, only this much. Okay. It is also having something that can cure. It is not proven yet. It is not proven. We are not going to make any fake false promises with you, but studies are going on that it fights cancer also. It can be useful in fighting cancer also. People having cancer, so they can be healed by aloe vera. Studies are still going on. I'm not doing any false promises. Pehle se, like I'm giving a red flag over there. Just read the updates from the scientific community. Okay. Don't go with our thing. And scientific community is working on it. Okay. Now talking about its certifications. What Forever is having? Sir, Forever is having a International Aloe Science Council certification that is given globally. Like this is a global certification that Forever is having. Second, it is having kosher certificate that works in Europe. Third, it is having M Halal certificate that works in the Middle East countries, Islamic countries like Kingdom of Oman, Israel, Iran, Iraq. You know the laws over there, no? Don't know the laws, no? In India, it is very easy to say anything, very easy to do anything, very easy to spit anywhere, very easy to abuse anyone. But when you go in these countries, no, then you'll get to know about the rules and laws. Okay. There, people live in actual discipline. You go to China, you'll get to know. Just go to China and you'll get to know. So India is having many things. That's why people can talk anything, talk rubbish. Even YouTube videos can be turned down in China, but here anybody can say about anyone, okay, without knowing anything. So go to the authentic sites, go to government sites, go to scientific community, go to their sites, okay, go to the authentic persons who are using our products. You can find even celebrities, athletes. These people are using our products. You have to find them. We can't do advertisements. We can't do anything with these celebrities. Why? Because the money will go in royalty and I won't be teaching you. That is my money, no? Why am I here? Because I am getting good sum, right? That's why I'm here. The biggest motivation in the world is, believe it or not, where there's money, there is honey. Right or wrong, Kiran? Kiran,
Right, sir. Sir.
correct?
Right, sir.
Okay. So this is our best product, aloe vera gel. Okay. It has both internal and external use. I'll be talking in detail about internal and external use. Just you know in a simple plain language that it can be drink, like you can take it in and you can even apply it on your skin if you are having any problems, any conditions. Okay, you can even wash your face. Even you can use it as a mask. Uh, Keep it 20 minutes as a mask at night and wash your face. Okay, it gives good results. Okay. Second, let's see what is there. Now coming on into like internal sections where aloe vera is exactly working. When you drink this aloe vera gel or anything containing aloe vera, starts with your mouth, buccal cavity. It is known as buccal cavity. Don't go deep into the biology, but it takes care of your mouth, teeth, gums, and everything. There will be no gum pains, no bleeding will be there. Like if there are bleeding, it can reduce it. Okay, it soothes it. It has a soothing effect. If there is something in your mouth, it gives a soothing effect right from your mouth till your gut. What happens with the food when it enters into your stomach? It goes into the small intestine where all the nutrients are getting absorbed. Okay, nutrients are getting absorbed in the small intestine where this finger-like structure known as villi are there. Okay, when the food gets stuck inside this villi, then it is absorbed. The nutrients are absorbed, and rest of the things are given back. Sometimes it stucks there and accumulates as toxins. You know, now when you leave a food on your plate and leave it for 2-3 days, what happens? It stucks, no? It accumulates. If you don't put water on that and leave it like that, that what happened? It just sticks there. What aloe vera does, what actually aloe vera does, lignin and saponin, you remember these two things, right? Lignin can be absorbed deep inside this intestine. If there are some toxins that has got inside your body also, no, it can absorb that thing. There is saponin also. What it does, it creates a soapy type of thing. Okay? It washes it. Now it cleanses it. That's why it is told to drink aloe vera empty stomach in the morning. 20 to 120 ml is given for the adults, and for the kids 20 to 40 ml, not more than that. Okay, after 20 to 25 minutes, lukewarm water is recommended. Why? Because when the soapy thing is there in your stomach, it needs to be washed out. When you drink lukewarm water, it gets flushed out. And no tea. 2 to 4 hours, say no to tea. You drink tea, it won't work. It won't work. The way it has been formed, it won't work. Okay, I'm not going deeper into this thing. I think internal things have been clear to you. Now talking about mouth, right tooth gel. World's best tooth gel is aloe vera tooth gel. Anti-fluoride. No fluoride is here. First of all, fluoride is a carcinogenic material. What is a carcinogenic material? Causing cancer. And it has many other side effects also. Okay, it is not given to you like with a single use, but with time it shows its effect on your body. And talking about this, it has aloe vera plus rest of the material. In terms of foaming agent, it is using minute quantity of SLS. What is this? SLS. SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate. If somebody asks you and gives the objection that there is SLS in this truth gel, then what's the answer? Answer is scientific community research paper. Clear? Don't have to go there. Whosoever is having the doubt, go and read it. There is a permissible limit, no, for everything. Everything is required in a minute quantity inside our body. And what this SLS is doing, this is just creating foam in a minute quantity. It is present in this fried tooth gel, nothing else. It is totally organic. Clear? What this does, brightens your teeth and strengthen your gums, no gum bleeding, no mouth pain, and even cleans your tongue, everything. If child like ingest it also, it is going to be good for his gut. It is going to be good for his gut, right? Good for his stomach. And the use, only a pierced drop, only pear shaped drop is sufficient for your tooth, like brushing your teeth. Not use like a brush is this much big. So from here to here, I'll be applying and then doing. No, just a pear shape, just a simple drop, that's enough. That is going to do the job. Twice a day, feel it, and then let me know what the work is. Okay, coming on the skincare part. Oh, I can see 3 layers. Okay, please be interactive. I can't see anyone. Are you there or are you sleeping? Anybody?
No, sir.
Sleeping or are you there? Jana, are you there or are you sleeping?
I'm here, sir.
Okay. Don't read the name of these layers, right? Just top layer, first layer, second layer, third layer. Clear? First layer, second layer, third layer. The lifetime of this first layer is just 24 hours. After every 24 hours, it dies and new skin comes on. So that's why it is told by everybody in your house to take bath daily. Who are the people who are not taking bath daily? How many students are here? Let me know the truth. Are you taking bath daily or not? Kiran? Are you avoiding? Are you skipping your bath? Rohit?
Sunday, sir. Sunday,
No,
time I'm
sir.
skipping my bath.
Sometimes, right? Sometimes you must
Sometimes,
be,
yes, sir.
sometimes you must be skipping. Rohit, what about
Skipping,
you?
yes, sir.
What about you?
Sir,
You are taking bath daily
I
or you
but
are skipping in between?
sir, taking birth regularly, sir.
Okay, so regular bath is required. Why? It will clear the dead part, dead skin part, what is there on your body. You do like this also, no? You can see black thing coming out of it. What is it? Some kind
So
of
that
dirt
is dead
also and your
cells.
skin layer. Clear? So this is having a lifetime of only 24 hours. Now, what happens if it dies? So from where this upper layer is coming? Any idea? Upper layer has died and it has veered off. Where is this like upper layer coming from then?
Sir, coming from dermis.
Okay. Have you seen a lift? How a lift works from down to top, right? This third layer takes place of the second layer. Second layer becomes the first
Okay.
layer, and there is a third layer. New third layer is generated inside the body. Clear? Within 24 hours, this process takes place. And when aloe vera is applied over here, what this lignin does, penetrates deep inside till here, inside the third layer even. Saponin cleans it and it is having antimicrobial, antifungal and what not effects, right? What it does, it speeds up the process of formation of this third layer, inner layer. When the inner layer will be formed, what will happen? It works as a lift, it goes up, the older inner layer goes up, it takes the shape of second layer. Then second layer, what it does, it goes up and it removes the dead cells from the top layer. Got it? How it is working? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think this is sufficient for you to understand pollution in skin and rest of the thing related to aloe vera. Now talking in terms of honey. Why forever honey is very important? What is the thing? Anybody having like organic honey in their houses? Tell me the use of honey. Come on, honey. Tell me the use of honey. Anyone?
The honey is used for medical purpose.
What kind of medical purposes? Home remedies, it
The
is utilized by your grandmothers also, right? Tell me what
yes,
what,
sir.
what are the stories?
The drinking morning with hot water, it will reduce our fat.
Good point.
It's also good for the chest.
Good point. Okay, it is also having medicinal values, right? Honey is also having a medicinal value. It can reduce fat, can help you in reducing fat. It can help you in getting instant energy. Have you not just put a just small drop on your tongue of honey? What happens?
It tastes super.
Instant energy, right? Brain goes boom, eyes goes boom. Just keep a single drop of honey on your tongue, whether it is totally organic or not, whether it has sugar added in it, then also it gives you the same effect. But what is the difference? What is the difference? Why forever honey? Why forever honey? I'll be asking this why questions regularly. Why? Why you are here? Why? What you want to what you want in your life, and why forever's products and why forever services are going to make your career and make your life. This thing is clear to you, no? Then only you can progress and do anything in your life with forever. Not only you, your generations. Clear? Now talking in terms of honey, forever is having a mountain in Spain. It has bought a mountain. It is very poor. No, forever is very poor, so it bought a mountain in Spain. It just got a mountain in Spain where there is organically cultivated rosemary, orange groves, and lavender plantations. Okay, from top to bottom. And there only the honey bees are kept, beehives are there, and the honey is extracted from that mountain itself. Pity on the honey bees, right? Where are they going to collect their nectars from?
Flowers, sir.
These plants only, na? What does orange groves have? What is orange famous for? Rich in vitamin C. Correct? Correct? And what is lavender famous for? Its freshness. Lavender is famous for its freshness. You are having it in your house, in your cars, you know, and so everywhere, right? You are even gifting in bouquets lavender because of its freshness,
And
its smell. Yeah, yeah, Jana.
say something, and it also calms you. It also got that calming effect. You use lavender when you have anxiety and things, then you can use that lavender to give the calming effect.
Okay. So this effect lavender is having. Third thing coming on the rosemary. You know, you have seen people like rich people having this habit. I'll be having green tea. I will be having green tea. I'll be doing this. I'll be doing that. And sometime when you will be having, you will be following them. Then you'll understand why you are taking rosemary. Rosemary has its own medicinal effect. Clear? So what honey you are having, it is conditional honey from forever, rich in vitamin C, having additional medicinal benefits and freshness of lavender. No added sugar. Whatever honey you are getting from the market, just keep it inside the refrigerator. You'll get to know white portion down, yellow portion up. Just keep it in the refrigerator, you'll get to know. Whatever you are getting in the market, whether it is India, whether it is South Africa. Just tell me, Jenna, right? You are having that bottled honey, packaged honey.
Yes,
Yes. Will you be showing me after keeping it in refrigerator tomorrow?
I will do so.
Have you seen that thing? White down and yellow part up.
The honey, the
Yeah, honey.
bottle.
The honey
Yeah.
bottle, keep it in refrigerator. Keep it in the fridge. refrigerator, and after 7 hours or 8 hours, what you'll observe is there is a layer. One layer will be totally white and one layer will be yellowish, dark yellowish or brownish. Is it so or not? What does
I
it
didn't
signify?
know.
What does it signify? Because people are doing business, everybody wants maximum profit. They are adding sugar into it. They are adding sugar into it. That will be easily available. Like in India, it is very famous. Dabur's #1 honey. That is #1 honey in India. Keep it in the refrigerator. You'll get to know how #1 it is. Okay. What happens with this honey? You are avoiding diabetes type B. There is a B type diabetes also. No, there are certain types also. You can't get B type diabetes after having this honey. This can be used as an alternative to sugar. Having sugar can cause many problems, right? Doctors even say don't take raw sugar. Whatever we are having in India, we are not having fresh sugar. Okay, we don't know that the best quality of sugar produced in India goes outside or are in the 5-star hotels. Have you seen in the movies those big sugar cubes they take with the uh, tongue and keep put in the coffee mug, right? Those sugars are made in India because we have large fertile land growing sugar cane. Those sugars are made in India. When those sugar cubes are made, no, whatever weird of things are there that we are buying in terms of kilos and utilizing in our houses. Got this thing? Whatever we are having, because of the cheap things, we are having cheap thing. Clear? That is destroying our health even. We are saving 10 rupees, 15 rupees to give the 10 lakh rupees bill in future. You are preparing for future. Okay, if you have healthy habits, so your medical bills will be reduced. When doctor is going to write like 1,000 rupees, 4 tablets you have to take, you're going to buy it in any case, right? You're going to buy it in any case. Okay, so try to know the things. Now, the worst part, the ugliest part. Okay, can these problems be healed by aloe vera? No, but you don't have the first aid. But you have certain kind of products that can be applied over there to avoid infections. Okay, they can be used. Who are we? I'll be talking about it later. Actually, there are 4 type of aloe vera drinks. I'll be taking these drinks first one by one. Okay, aloe vera gel, 99.7% pure aloe gel, can be used both for external and internal use. If you want to wash your face, you can wash your face. If you want to apply it and leave it as a moisturizing agent, you can apply it, leave it, and then wash your face. Okay, if you want to drink it and have a good health, good immunity, good gut feeling, you can have aloe vera gel. External, internal, both use can be done. This is a drink, but can be used both purposes. If there is a cut, burns, or anything on your skin, apply it and get the results. When you get the results, please give me your feedback. I want to know it. Okay. Second one is aloe berry nectar. Apart from taking care of your gut, apart from taking care of rest of the things, the what aloe vera can do, this berry and nectar, what they do, they cleans your urinary tract, means your kidney. Yeah? The urine is produced in your kidney. They take care of that kidney health also. This is not to be given to a pregnant lady. Remember this point, where aloe vera is not supposed to be given to anyone. Be responsible, not to be given to any pregnant ladies. Because during that time, there are many hormonal changes, many enzymes and other kind of things that can be harmful for fetus. So this aloe berry nectar especially is not to be provided to a pregnant lady. And for kids, kids love it. My son love it. Aloe peaches. My son loves it. He wants to drink it as a mango fruity. There's a mango drink in India that is very famous known as mango fruity. He wants to drink it as mango fruity, but don't give 20 to 40 ml. More than 40 ml you can't give. Don't give. Okay, this is good for kids. Good for the growth of the kids. Not only take care of your immunity and rest of the thing, whatever I have told about aloe vera. You can cover simply every product with that knowledge, whatever I have given you initially. 99.7%, 88%, I guess, 86%, I guess, the aloe vera contents get reduced. And in India, mango is very famous. How can we leave mango? So, aloe mango is also there in India and rest of the world now. Actually, why these flavors were made? Because aloe vera has sour, like a sour taste. First of all, when you keep it on your tongue, no, you won't be liking its taste. But next day, your tongue will be habitual. The next day your tongue will be habitual. So it is recommended to start with a 20 ml fresh aloe vera gel. If you are going for a aloe vera gel, if you have start drinking this aloe berry nectar and aloe peaches, don't make it a cold drink. Don't make it a soft drink. It is not a soft drink. Excess of anything can cause you harm. There is permissible limit. Okay. So 20 to 120 ml for the adults and 20 to 40 ml for kids. Not more than that. And you can see the results and report back to me. Who is a genuine user who loves the product can tell me, sir, you told me right. You didn't tell us any wrong information about it. About the honey, and there is a bee propolis. Does somebody want to say anything? Okay, just I'll be finishing wrapping up the session now. Let's talk about this honey products. There is honey, propolis cream, along with aloe vera. Aloe vera can't be used in major injuries, right? Major injuries can't be dealt with aloe vera only. And when kids are hurt or anybody is hurt when they are young, no? So what our grandparents or elders say, put some honey over there or put some sugar over there. So this honey can be utilized in like road accidents, major damages. This can be utilized. Even this gel, after the surgery, it can be used for natural healing. Okay, detoxifying the body. And there is a famous product, RG Plus and Arctic Sea, which has its relation with Nobel Prize. Your homework is to go and read about RG Plus and Arctic Sea and tell me. You can easily find it on net, Google, or anywhere else. Okay, that's all for today's session. I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll be getting your reviews. I also have to do some interviews after this. So let's meet tomorrow. How was the session, Jenna, and rest of the people? You can unmute and say it was boring, no?
No, sir.
Was
It was
good.
boring. It was boring, but this is making people rich. If you have the proper knowledge, you can utilize it. You can utilize it. And when you share like this to the people, why won't they buy? Why won't they buy?
Sir,
If they are having something related to health in their mind, no, then they will definitely go and give it a try. And when they try it, believe me, they love it. They will love it. Okay. So that's all from my end. See you tomorrow.